Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Happy Acres. We live on a kind of a busy intersection, actually. Um, it's right at a stop sign, but the noise from the cars comes down the highway. Um, so after listening to some of the videos I made, you really just couldn't hear what I was saying. So I'm trying these um, earbuds, and hopefully this is going to work. See what happens. This is what Jay did. That's for the seeds. So basically, you take this little tiny tray and you just fill soil in it and you do it several hundred times. I'm impressed. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Um, if you like this, hit the like, subscribe, let us know how we're doing, comment, what have you. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping in.